Guangzhou Jiangchuan Printing Equipment Company Limited is located in a beautiful city, Guangzhou. Factory area is over 10,000 square meters, about hundreds employee. Factory was established in 2009. We commit to business philosophy, honesty, reciprocity, mutual development. Aim at market's request, continuously innovate to provide good quality products and best service for all customer. We are a large-scale heat transfer press printing equipment manufacturer that integrates R&D design, production, sales, and after-sales service. With more than 100 standard products, includes multifunctional roller heat press machine, large format flatbed heat press equipment, heat embossing machine, 3D transfer machine, manual heat press machine, hot stamping, fusing machine. With 19 years experience, we uphold quality standard, high performance, safety and energy saving to gain CE certificate. We were named as China Experimental, Base of Lean Chinese Fine Enterprise Management, and Certificate of Chinese Craftsman's Enterprise. With the spirit of continuous improvement, good quality product, and perfect pre-sale and after-sales service, we have established long-term cooperative relationships with domestic industry brand customers and established offices in cities such as Shanghai, Chengdu, Dongguan. Using advanced online sales channels, the company has continued to develop steadily in foreign markets and has opened up international markets such as the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the United States. The products have also achieved a good reputation in the industry and won the praise of customers at domestic and abroad.